What is today's word, everyone? Today's word is blizzard. How do we spell blizzard as well, everyone? B as in Billy, L as in Lee, I as in Isaiah, Z as in Zachary, Z as in Zachary again, A as in Alan, R as in Rocky, and D as in Davy. What is the definition for the word blizzard? The word blizzard is a noun. It's a severe snowstorm with high winds and low visibility. Here you have it. And yet another incredible episode in. Words in the world. In 2024. Make sure everyone y'all like my episodes. Also subscribe to my page right here on YouTube as well. I appreciate it as well, everyone.